what's up guys, NateVlog, welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. Yo! So today we're gonna try the AC Instant Thai Tea, and yeah, I don't know what that is, but 3-in-1, okay. So I was trying to figure out how to make this, and apparently it's only 3 steps, that's it, 3, easy. So I thought we had to do, remember the boba videos where we had to do the boil the water, put it in, and ice, milk, boba, all those steps. No, this is 3 easy steps, and yeah, I'm excited. I love Thai tea. I haven't had it since I was in Thailand a year ago, so I miss it. Let's go, come on. Alright, so there it is, that's what it looks like. AC, that's the brand? This is from Thailand, by the way. Alright, anyways, let's get this going, boil the water, and then we just wait, you know how it is, waiting. There we go. Okay, it's finished, so let's go ahead and open this up. There we go, that's what it looks like, powder. Cha Thai. Alright, so let's go ahead and pour this in. Good amount. How's that look? Is that good? You can really smell it. Alright, that should be good. Put that off to the side. Now put our hot water. Yeah, see how dark it is? That's perfect. And go to the line where it says max. Do you see that? Max. Yeah. Okay, so now we take our spoon and just mix. Stir it well. Any powder. Dissolve it, right? So that's what we want to do right here. There we go. Check at the bottom. I don't feel any powder. I think it's good now. It's still so hot. You're supposed to drink this cold, right? Well, that's why we need to move on to step 3, which we have our ice here, and ice is solid. Oh my gosh, how am I supposed to do this? Are you kidding me? Yo. Oh shit! Ah! Yo. Alright, there you go, there's your eyes. Wow, really? Ding ding! Alright, there we go. Finally melted in there. Alright, let's go ahead and try this out now. Okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and try this out. Sawadee Cup. And oh yeah, by the way, I picked this up actually in Thai Town, Hollywood. Yeah, so a lot of content to make there. Definitely. Anyways, hopefully this is cold now. Here we go. Cheers. Ooh. That's not as sweet as I thought it was going to be. Hold on. And it needs to get colder. But the ice, as you can see, it's literally almost gone. See that ice right there? Oh, jeez. Maybe I added too much of the powder. I think that's the problem. See, but I thought you were supposed to pick up the condensed milk, right? Because they always use condensed milk to sweeten it even more. But yeah, it has it all apparently. Yeah, all ingredients. Thai tea, sugar, non-dairy creamer. Yeah, that's basically all it is, right? Just add ice. Interesting. You think I should add this? Do you think that would make it better? Yeah, but too much of the powder. Ugh. Yeah, actually I'm not really digging it. Maybe we should open this up. Add some of this in there. Okay, so yeah, can opener. I think that's how you're supposed to do it, right? Just puncture it just puncture like that, yeah. And pour it in. Oh, damn, it's kind of thick. Thick white stuff right there. I wonder how much I'm supposed to put in. We'll try this first. Oh, okay. Alright. Yeah. Alright, mix that up. Mix, 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 mix. Experimenting here. That's what we're doing. Yeah, a lot sweeter. Oh yeah, that's good. Too bad this is so unhealthy. Let's add some more white stuff to it, yeah? Thick, gooey. Just trying to get the shoot out here. Come on. Jeez. Should I open this bigger? No, I probably shouldn't do that. But anyways, oh yeah, there it goes. It's coming out. Yeah, that's how we do it. NateVlog experiments. Whoa! Try some of this. Ooh, sweet. Esto es muy dulce. Esto. Alright. Mix this up even more. Yeah, a lot better. Ah, wow. Just thinking of Thailand right now. I gotta get back there. I gotta say, Thailand is literally one of my favorite countries to visit, honestly. If like, there's just so much to see, so much to do, but it is a little more expensive than the Philippines. So yeah, still gotta kind of watch your wallet there. You know, you're like, oh, this is inexpensive, but then yeah, that all adds up, and then you're just like, oh, spent too much money. But every time I go, I usually drink one of these every day when I'm there. I'm just like, hey, I gotta take advantage of this. It's like $1 there, so yeah. Thai tea is just one of my favorites. But yeah, next time I have this, I'm not gonna add too much powder, okay? Yeah, and now what do I do with this? Like, I don't understand. How do I save this? Because it's open, right? So I don't want it to go bad. Do I just put it in the refrigerator? Just like this? Or how do I cover this hole? Maybe put it in a bag. Lock it up. Yeah. Oh, geez. I don't know. I don't know what to do here. But, hey, I guess we have to be drinking these every day here. Use this up, right? Use it up. Refreshing. Yeah, that was a very good idea. Good thing I had this, because honestly, it was kind of bitter, and you just really tasted that powder. Not the powder, but the too much of that Thai tea-ness. What is that even? Is that even a word? What? But anyways, with this added, combine that. Aroy mak. Yeah, mak. Yeah. You definitely gotta wait till it like gets cold too. Not room temperature. But yeah, anyways, so this is my breakfast. There we go. It's gonna get me going. 14 grams of sugar. Eesh. On top of this too. Oh, way too much. All right, there we go. We are done. We did it. My review is yeah. No. My honest review. Instant. Remember, this is instant, okay? When they do it in Thailand, they do the whole thing. They got the whole tea in there, siphoning out, you know, just do whatever they're doing. It's not this, okay? So you gotta put that in your mind as well. So, I have to say, 6 out of 10. Right now, as for right now, maybe like when I make this tomorrow morning, now we know less powder. Hey, it could go up. So as for right now, 6 out of 10. And yeah, let's try to preserve this, okay? Anyways, hope you guys dig it all the way. And cup kun cup. Yeah, alright. AC, instant Thai tea. There you go. Make sure you go hit up my PayPal. Yep. Description down below. Hey, hold on. Don't forget about the Venmo. Yeah, it's right there. That's also in the description down below. Thank you so much for supporting NateVlog here. Always appreciating you supporting my groovy content. So yeah, we will see you. Thank you so much. All right, boy. Yep. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.